I don't know about you, but I had to get these because sometimes I'm out and about and I have a lunch or dinner with someone and my breath can smell a little bit garlicky and I know that I need to brush my teeth and that gum is just not going to do it for me. So this is the GuruNanda. It says butter on gums, 6-in-1 pre-pasted disposable toothbrush. So they come in these little packets. Okay, so just wanted to show you what it looks like. So on one end, it does have the bristles for you to brush your teeth. It is pre-pasted. On this side, this is where you have your tongue cleaner. And then over here, you have your floss. This is your tongue scraper. And then you have a toothpick right there. And then these bristles are supposed to be buttery soft. And so, I mean, they are soft, I will say that, and smooth. So basically you just use this and go. It is in mint flavor and you don't have to rinse if you don't want to, but if you prefer it, you can. All right, so I just finished using it and I will say that at first I thought that I wasn't gonna like the way it tasted, but my mouth does feel minty fresh. The bristles itself was actually soft. I was impressed because usually like a new toothbrush can sometimes feel like it needs like some breaking in or something, but that one was like, it was ready for use. I really like that it has a toothpick and also it has like the floss, because sometimes when you're out and about and you just really need to get something out of your teeth, that's going to come in handy. It does have the tongue cleaner and tongue scraper for those that need it. This also is fluoride free if you're wondering. So I will say that when I use this, I didn't feel like I needed to rinse my mouth out, but I did need to spit. I can see this for anyone who has customer service jobs, and it's important for us to have that fresh breath. And also this will be good to have like when you're getting ready for your dental visit. This is something you can bring with you when you're going on a camping trip. And honestly, for me, I'm just gonna have one in my car, in my backpack, my purse, and then at my office. So if you're someone like me and you are in customer service and fresh breath is important to you, or you're just in the market for a new floss, then you might as well get this one because it comes with the toothpick, floss, and the pre-pasted toothbrush, which all comes in handy, and you should definitely check this one out.